Hello everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to make an adorable summertime charm bracelet? In this video, we'll be creating with items from the Softflex slide sale. We're using these little turtle beads and they were also part of the Turtle Love design kit and that was from June. We're using a few leftover beads from the Exotic Bloom bead set and then these green Czech Glass that I had left over from another project. And I will leave links down below for those in the description. And these are also available on softflexcompany.com. So all products I am using, I will leave links down below if they are still available. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. To start, we're just going to need some eye pins, or if you don't have eye pins, you can use Softflex craft wire and make your own wrapped loops. We're going to slide on one of our little green beads, a turtle bead, and they are double-sided, and a green bead. And we're going to do that 3 more times. I also have these little links of chain, and they're about an 8 millimeter jump ring. So if you wanted to use a jump ring, if you didn't have the chain, you can do that. And we are just going to connect our little turtles together and then add some head pins and add the little green beads onto our head pins where we're going to create our little dangles for our bracelet. So we have all our little turtles added on to our eye pins. I'm just going to be making loops and I'm using my one-step looper in the 1.5 millimeter. You can also use your round nose pliers to make your loops. So we'll just slide that in our looper and give it a squeeze and it's going to make a perfect loop. You're just going to do that for the remaining ones of your little turtle components. All our little components made, we're just going to take our round nose pliers and make sure that our loop is completely closed. We don't want to lose any of our little charms or have our bracelet break. Closed, we're just going to take our pliers and some 6 millimeter jump rings and we're going to connect them to our links of chain. So we're just going to open up a jump ring. We're just going to twist side to side, attach one of our little turtle components and a link of chain. Give it a close. You'll hear a little click with the jump ring. And then we're just going to do that for the rest of our 20 components. If you wanted to, as a design option, you could attach 2 of the jump rings together, and that gives it a little bit of a chainmail look. And when attaching your turtles, you want to make sure that they're all swimming the same way. So with the jump rings, if you wanted to, you could make your own out of Softflex craft wire. I recommend a 20 gauge to make jump rings. We want to make sure that our turtles are all swimming the same way. So we're just going to keep attaching our little links together until we have the size of our bracelet. Once we have all of our little turtles added to our bracelet, we're just going to attach our clasp. I'm going to do that by attaching a jump ring. So we're just going to open up our jump ring, slide on our clasp, and connect it to one of our little links. And give it a close. And then I'm going to attach a jump ring on the other side. And give it a close. And we have our turtle bracelet. If you don't have the turtle beads, you can use any beads. You could use the flower beads from the Softflex design kit, just peachy, or crystals, pearls, as long as eye pin or a piece of wire will fit through them. You can do the same design concept. So now we're going to attach our dangles. We're just going to need our beads, and these are the 7 millimeter green Czech glass. So we're going to start to attach our little dangles to our charm bracelet. I'm putting one green bead on each head pin. Taking my one-step looper and making a loop. And you want to make sure that each of your little loops are completely closed. You don't want to lose any of them. And then in multiples of 3, I'm just opening up a jump ring. And attaching 3 of my little dangles to the 6 millimeter jump ring. And then I'm attaching it to an open link and giving a close. And we have our adorable summertime bracelet using Softflex Company live sale claims and Czech Glass. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And don't forget to check out other bracelet tutorials in the playlist link down below in the description. Have an awesome day.